CBAP Business Analysis Professional. This CBAP training is designed to help professionals gain new skills and expertise in advanced documentation, effective planning, and the creation of business solutions. This CBAP exam preparation course aligns with the high standards set by IIBA and will ensure continued success in the field of business analysis. Professionals with CBAP certification will be able to stay relevant to rapid changes in the IT industry and competencies in all aspects of business analysis. Topics. Lesson 1, Introduction to CBAP Certification. Lesson 2, Introduction to CBAP V3. Lesson 3, Business Analysis Planning and Monitoring. Lesson 4, Elicitation and Collaboration. Lesson 5, Requirements Life Cycle Management. Lesson 6, Strategy Analysis. Lesson 7, Requirements Analysis and Design Definition. Lesson 8, Solution Evaluation. Lesson 9, Agile Perspective. Lesson 10, Business Intelligence Perspective. Lesson 11, Information Technology Perspective. Lesson 12, Business Architecture Perspective. Lesson 13, Business Process Management Perspective.